OneDrive has been my preferred option for a cloud storage service because I mostly use other Microsoft tools, so it all works together smoothly. In case you don't know who I am, I'm Shanice Banes and I'm from Toronto, Canada. I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, which is a custom e-design organizing service. OneDrive has been my preferred option for a cloud storage service because I mostly use other Microsoft tools, so it all works together smoothly. It currently offers 5 GB of free storage for storing files, documents, photos, and more. I personally chose a paid version because it has been my sole space for everything digital in my life for years, therefore I require more space. Also, on my phone, I have my phone gallery sync right to my OneDrive to save space on my phone, which has been a lifesaver for me. I tend to use both Google Drive and OneDrive in my life. However, since OneDrive is used the most, I honestly can't live without it. Let me show you how you can organize your files, documents, and photos. Once you access OneDrive through a website or app, it may be slightly different depending on what device you are using. However, you're going to click Upload to add files or folders. Next, create folders to organize your files into categories. This is where you're going to take the time to rename, move, or delete files and folders as needed. You can start by creating a folder structure that best suits your life to organize your files logically. Use those as boards, categories, or top-level folders so that you can subdivide them into more specific subfolders as needed. Choose folder names that clearly describe the contents of the folder. You don't want the name to be miscellaneous or stuff because it is hard to tell what is in that folder. As mentioned before, I like to have my phone photo gallery sync to my OneDrive so that my photos are never lost and I have access to it on all my devices. This means that in the settings of the photo gallery, you have an option to sync your photos to OneDrive. There is a separate section dedicated to your photos to use, or you can create albums. You can organize them in files or albums by location, person, or date to group related photos together. Digital tools can be a great asset for you and for your family. We discuss how to keep your important digital documents like medical records, school forms, and family photos using cloud storage services like OneDrive so that you can easily access your files and photos. If a digital tool is not right for you, it won't work for you. It will work against you. To find out more about organizing all aspects of your life, you can check out my blog, cityofcreativedreams.com. It has a jaw-dropping free resource library filled with organizing printables and my organizing resource lounge with my favorite things. All my social media accounts are under the same name at City of Creative Dreams, or if you want to check out Inspired by Organizing, they're also under the same name. I would love it for you to come over to one of my pages to say hi and have fun organizing.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.